As future engineers, we are tasked to find solutions to unanswered questions.
The advocacy of Shell is creating a brighter future of energy. Shell has this positive output in life na pwede po sila mag-invest in young minds. Sa fuel efficiency po, na makakapag-isip na po yung mga bata na kaya pa po nilang i-upgrade kung ano na po yung meron ng society nowadays.
As of now, we must limit and minimize the use of fuel. It's like in our eco car, we use the smallest engine available and we use mechanical advantage to run our vehicle. We're all 100% na handmade and all by sweat lang yung gamit namin.
Yung mga parts mostly dinesign namin, pinabricate namin.
Mas possible, kailangan maging magaan. Kasi nga, mas magaan is mas hindi hirap yung sasakyan na humatak. Lesser energy na kailangan para umanda.
The hardest part was troubleshooting. When the materials break, I have to start all over again. It's kind of heartbreaking.
Nabuo namin siya, pero nung nag-testing na kami, nakita namin ang daming problema.
Isa pong incident yun kung ba't natagalan yung paggawa namin yun kasi inuna namin tanggalin yung mga resin sa paa namin bago kami nagpatuloy.
Ngayon, parang kaya na namin tumakbo ng 30 to 40 kilometers per hour dahil dun sa run na yun. So yung hope po namin lalong tumaas.
Memorable siguro yung nakita na namin yung chassis namin na buo.
Grabe, kung makikita nila yung car namin, hindi pa siya tapos pero parang ulam na.
And we're proud to say, kami gumawa niyan. We are here not just to build the car, pero dito kami para manalo.
So in-expect namin na the competition will be hard and really stressful during the days of the competition.
Pinakamahalagang lesson na natutunan namin is yung pagiging madiskarte. Madiskarte in a way na pag hindi available yung resources, kami po mismo yung hahanap ng paraan para maging available yung resources na yun.
I think the most important lesson would be not just engineers, all of us to really think of ways on how to save fuel for us to help making our environment a better place.
Tingin namin, hindi naman talaga about sa competition eh. It's more about learning.
Parang yun yung pinanghawakan namin na ba't kami susunod sa usual na daloy ng competition kung kaya naman namin mag-isip na mas magandang paraan for fuel efficiency.
Parang magiging proud na rin kami sa sarili namin na yes, dala namin yung pangalan ng Pilipinas.
So at the end of the day, lahat tayo may mga bagong experience at may mga natutunan at higit sa lahat, na-enjoy yung competition.
Yung main motivation namin is yung passion talaga namin. Yung passion po na bumuo ng sasakyan on our own.
Gusto namin gumawa ng project na ipoprove namin sa mundo na we can do it.
To ignite the heart of the students to contribute more in terms of smarter mobility.
We are the light bearers for greener mobility.
Para makasave ng fuel, hindi lang nagmamatter sa car lahat, sa parts ng car. Kasama rin doon yung safety and then yung strategy ng driver, paano niya i-hand yung car ng maigi.
Kung passionate ka enough at passionate enough din ako, kaya kong bumuo ng sasakyan na fuel efficient para sa bansa natin.